Welcome to Health Guide 50 Plus. Are you over 50 and have you ever found yourself suddenly strangely wide awake, staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m.? The new day is still hours away, but precious sleep seems to have already left you. You're not alone. This is a very common experience, and the frustration and anxiety that come with these nights can deeply affect your energy and quality of life. If so, this is the most important thing you need to know. While your sleep patterns do change, insomnia and waking up exhausted are not a normal part of aging. Today, we are not offering generic sleep tips. We are going to do an in-depth analysis. First, we will explore the 3 specific physiological reasons why your sleep changes after 50. Then, we will share 5 practical, science-backed strategies that acknowledge the real-life challenges of this age. This is the in-depth, age-specific analysis we focus on. Let's begin. First, why does sleep get harder? Reason 1, your sleep architecture changes. As we age, we spend less time in deep, restorative sleep, N3, and more time in light, non-restorative sleep, N1 and N2. The National Institute on Aging confirms this means we are more easily awakened. Reason 2, your internal clock shifts. Your circadian rhythm naturally shifts forward with age. This is why you might find yourself feeling sleepy at 8 p.m., but then find yourself wide awake at 4 or 5 a.m. Reason 3, your body produces less melatonin. Melatonin is the sleep hormone. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less of it, making it harder to fall asleep. So your sleep is different. But this does not mean you can't have deep, restful sleep. Now let's discuss 5 practical ways to adapt and manage these changes. Here is how to manage it. Strategy 1, master your schedule. This is critical because it helps anchor your shifting internal clock. You must go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Now, this can be a real challenge for those who are retired and no longer have a fixed work structure. Practical tip: if you are retired, create new time anchors in your day, like a scheduled morning walk or fixed meal times to help regulate that clock. Strategy 2, make the smart replacement for screens. This is doubly important after 50. Why? Because your body is already making less melatonin. The blue light from a TV or phone suppresses what little melatonin you have left. The smart replacement: 1 hour before bed, turn off all screens. Swap that TV time for reading a physical book under a dim, warm light. Strategy 3, make the smart replacement for stimulants. This strategy needs to be practical. We know to avoid caffeine and alcohol, but we must also acknowledge that many of us over 50 are on medications. Practical tip: some common medications, like beta blockers or diuretics, can affect sleep. You don't need to change them, but if you struggle with sleep, it is worth a conversation with your doctor about the timing of your medication. Strategy 4, time your exercise correctly. We must acknowledge that just exercise is not a helpful tip if you have arthritis or mobility issues. The smart replacement: the goal is movement, not intensity. Gentle activities like walking, restorative yoga, or Tai Chi are incredibly effective, but time them correctly. Exercise raises your core body temperature, so the Mayo Clinic recommends doing it in the morning or early afternoon, not within 3 to 4 hours of your bedtime. Strategy 5. Apply the 20-minute rule. This is the most effective technique for middle-of-the-night waking and is directly linked to reason 1, sleep architecture. When you wake up, you are often stuck in that light and then 1/2 sleep. Lying there, trying to sleep, only reinforces this light awake state. The strategy: if you can't fall back asleep after 20 minutes, get out of bed. This breaks the vicious cycle of anxiety, that feeling of helplessness as you lie there watching the clock. Go to another room, read a book under a dim light, and only return to bed when you genuinely feel sleepy. Before we summarize, an important note: the information on this channel is for educational purposes only. If you have chronic sleep issues or are on medication, please always consult your physician. As we've seen, the changes to your sleep after 50 are real, but they can be managed. If you found this in-depth, age-specific health analysis helpful, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. We share new, trusted guides just like this every single week. We also truly value your experience. Please leave a comment below. Which of these real-life challenges, retirement schedule, medications, arthritis, do you relate to the most? Your ideas help our entire community. Thank you for investing in your health today. Coming up next, we will explore the daily routine for healthy aging.